Are you ready to be blown away by the incredible world of agricultural machines? These remarkable machines are revolutionizing the way we cultivate, harvest, and process our crops, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and productivity like never before. Join us on this thrilling journey as we explore some of the most extraordinary agricultural machines that will leave you in awe and inspire your imagination for what lies ahead in this awe-inspiring industry. Check out this one, a roadside grass cutting machine. Surely an efficient way to cut those unwanted weeds. Look at how fast and efficient this flower and digging machine. See how this soil finisher do its job. Readies the seedbed for planting by tilling, mixing, and leaving the soil in optimum condition. Check out this land scraper and soil leveler. Roadside mowing and land clearing has never been this easy with this machine. Clearing those roads free from small bushes and grasses, and even clogged ditches along highways. check out this gravel truck. Picking up loads has never been this easy. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.